Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a different shipping address on Amazon. This is incredibly useful when you need to send items to a new location, whether it's a gift for someone or if you're temporarily staying somewhere else. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After you've signed in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, click on Account. This will take you to the main account management page where you can control various aspects of your Amazon profile. Now that you're on the account page, look for the section that says Your Addresses and click on it. This area is where Amazon stores all the shipping addresses you've previously saved, making it easy to manage multiple locations for deliveries. It's a central hub for keeping your address information organized and up to date. Next, you'll want to add your new shipping address. Look for the button that says Add Address and click on it. This will open a form where you can input all the necessary details for your new location. The form is straightforward and designed to capture everything Amazon needs to ensure your packages arrive at the correct destination. Start by entering the first and last name of the person who will be receiving deliveries at this address. This helps delivery drivers confirm they're at the right location. After that, move on to filling in address line 1, which is typically your street address or the primary location identifier. Then, continue by entering the city, state, province, region, and zip code. Make sure all this information is accurate, as even a small mistake can lead to delivery issues. Finally, add a phone number so the carriers can contact you if there are any problems with the delivery. Here's an important option to consider. If you want this new address to become your primary shipping location, look for the checkbox labeled Make this my default shipping address and check it. Selecting this option means that whenever you place an order, Amazon will automatically use this address unless you manually change it during checkout. This is particularly handy if you've moved or if this new location will be your main delivery point going forward. Once you've double-checked that all the information is correct, click the Add Address button to save your new shipping address. Amazon will then store this information in your account, making it available for future orders. And there you have it. You've successfully added a different shipping address to your Amazon account, giving you flexibility for where your packages are delivered. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.